The Ford Transit Custom has plastic end stops on the rear loading bay doors for when the doors are opened at 180 degrees. Unfortunately, one of mine became irreparably damaged when a scary tree jumped out on me while reversing. So I temporarily borrowed one of the good ones from the other side of the van. Popped it into the Tea&Tech workshop, made a few semi-accurate measurements. Then created a semi-similar object in a simple 3D CAD program. After exporting to a 3D slicing program, it was time to print. You can see in this video that the ABS juice used on the print bed has given a very high sheen to the base of the print. While this isn't the end of the world, I'd like to try and dull it down just a little bit to try and make it a bit more like the original. Not worried about being too accurate, but just to take that high sheen off slightly. Time for the moment of truth. First, let's refit the original OEM part. Now how about the 3D printed part? Now how about the 3D printed part?